Hi, my name is Lawrence, and I wanted to take a moment to discuss why I chose Dr. Segal and the great people over at Summit Orthopedics of Texas. I met Dr. Segal through our swim team. He was one of the dads on the team, and I was obviously one of the coaches. Both his kids were on our swim team. I got to know them really well over like 2-3 years. So when I happened to have some issues come up with my knee, they were the first people that I turned to. I asked, treatments that I could do to help alleviate some of the pain that I was having around my knee. He did advise me, just as a friend, to take it easy, rest, take an anti-inflammatory, and let them know how things can progress from there. After about a week or two, it still continued. Nothing had gotten better. As a very active person, I work out, play disc golf. I did Spartan races, high rocks races, and also swam. So as a very active person, it was very difficult to kind of tamper that down. Unfortunately, it didn't really have much success. So over that week and a half. And so after speaking with him, he advised me to come in for a proper exam. I went into the clinic. We did a full exam, checking out the layout of my knee, how it was doing. We also did an x-ray. The x-ray came back negative. He did give me an injection that day. He gave me the option of it to see how it would do to help some of that inflammation calm itself down. It did help for a period of time, but like I said, I was still an active person with lifting and moving around quite a bit. So it lasted about a week and a half, 2 weeks. After that, had that discussion, came back in. He scheduled an MRI for me that day. I'm pretty sure like at 8 o'clock at night, I went in to go get an MRI done because they were just eager to get me in quickly and make sure I was getting treated correctly. So that was fantastic of them. And inevitably, that did reveal that I did have a tear in my meniscus, actually multiple tears in my meniscus. And they went over the options of surgery, what we could do. And I think we had that scheduled within a week and a half, 2 weeks that I had my surgery done. I did spend 12 weeks in recovery with PT, all kinds of things. Again, trying to be an active person, it was a big success for me to work in PT. We learned on small muscles, and we also did stem cells is the other part I slightly forgot there. So they took stem cells from my hip and had them placed into my knee. That was a large success for me. I think it helped me recover quite a bit. I was able to actually, after 5 or 6 months, I think I did a Spartan race that I ran 13 miles. It was the longest distance, but we did 3. So we did 13 miles. We did a 5K and a 10K as well that day, or that weekend. So it was a great success. The staff was fantastic when scheduling all these things. They helped me get them together really quickly. They were very well organized, very, very kind. Whenever I did come in, they were very greeting. They knew me by name when I came in, and they were very, very kind and very helpful, especially getting everything scheduled very quickly. My advice for anyone that might have a meniscus tear or might be going through this surgery is take your time. I'm very much an active person, like I mentioned. I'd say take your time, listen to your doctors, whatever they say, do it. I promise it's going to help you in the long run. I know it seems like a long time to sit there and not do anything for months and months at a time, but it will be worth it in the end. I promise you that much.